I hope you all are practicing math sincerely. Good morning children. I am Sharma sir with a new video on chapter 10 reflection. Let us solve question number 13. Question number 13, you see it is given a point A, point P, AB is reflected in the x axis to P dash 2 and minus 3. So let us draw the x axis and y axis. So let it x and x dash, point of intersection is 0, here y and y dash. Okay, and then we do the marking on x axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this, and left side it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, it will be like that. Y axis as well, mark it at equal distance above the x axis and below the x axis. And now level it. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. Here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This side it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6, and in the y axis below the y, on the y axis below the x axis it will be also minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. Okay, now you have to find the coordinate of, see the point is given P is given, P is the reflected image, P is the reflected image, so it is P dash. So you mark P dash. Where is the P dash? P dash is 2 and minus 3. So where is 2 and minus 3? So it will be 2 means x axis, or it is the abscissa, and the y is my ordinate. So this is the P. Here the P is given, coordinate is given 2 and minus 3. Okay, now see, if P is the image of a point P which is reflected from the x-axis, so you just go behind the x-axis. So if you go back, if P is reflecting, this is the P dash. Yes, this is P dash. So P dash is reflected from x-axis. So if you go back, then it is above 3 and 2. Just you will get here. So this will be the P which was reflected in x-axis, so that the image is 2 and minus 3. So what will be here? So here it was AB. Okay, so what is A? So A, therefore you can write, therefore A, P dash is reflected in P 2 minus 3, and P is what? AB. It is P dash. P dash is 2 minus 3, and this is AB. This is AB. So this is corresponding image. So therefore A is equal to 2 and B equal to minus 3. So this is one answer. Okay, B is 3, not minus 3. B is 3 because it is minus 3. So ordinate sign will change. So it will be 2 and 3. Clear? Now next, again P dash is reflecting in y axis. Since P dash is reflecting in y axis, since P dash is reflecting in y axis, so therefore P dash means what? P dash means 2 minus 3 is reflecting in y axis, so it will come this side. So it is 2, this is 3 and this is 2. So the image will be from here. The image will be from here. So this is P. The image will be P double dash. And you see the from fourth quadrant to third quadrant, the image reflection is taking place. So here what is the coordinate? It is minus 2 and minus 3. So it will be P double dash image will be -2 and -3. Okay. -2 and -3. So this is one answer. P dash, this is one answer. Now you have to reflect P again in the x equal to 4. You see, x equal to 4. What is the x equal to 4? X equal to 4 means you draw a line from here, x equal to 4, passing through x equal to 4. Draw a line parallel to y-axis. Okay. Now you see, you have to find the image of P again in x equal to 4. This is x equal to 4. X equal to 4. So P is here. So for this P again, for reflecting P, the image will be, the mirror will be x equal to 4. This line parallel to y axis will be the image, a mirror for it, and the image of P will be just behind the x equal to 4. So what is the position? Just see, mirror, this x equal to 4 is how far from P? 1 and 2 division. So from x equal to 4 you have to go 2 division right side, just behind the x equal to 4. So 2 division you are getting here 6. So this is reflecting as here. Alright, so this is reflecting as P triple dash, and the image will be 6 and 3. Alright, so therefore you write P triple dash will be equal to 6 and 3. So this is the answer. Okay children, so this way you have to use the graph to find the reflection of the point given in the different quadrant. Thank you children. Okay children, now similarly you try to solve the question number 22 on the graph paper, and the same you practice with this concept, and I will explain the 22 and 23 again tomorrow and to verify your answers. Okay, thank you. Till then, have a nice day.